Bond P is a premium bond with a 12% coupon. Bond D is a 6% coupon bond currently selling at a discount. Both bonds make annual payments and have a yield to maturity of 9% in 5 years until maturity. What is the current yield for Bond B and D? If interest rates remain unchanged, what is the expected capital gain over the next year for each bond? Explain your answers and the interrelationship among the various types of yields. Let's begin by calculating our current price for both Bond P and Bond D. Beginning with Bond P. We were told that our bonds have 5 years until they mature, so we'll enter N equals 5 in our financial calculators. The bonds have a 9% yield to maturity and pay an annual coupon, so enter 9% for the interest rate. For the payment on our 12% coupon bond, we'll enter $120. This is the 12% coupon times the $1,000 face value or par value of the bond. We'll then go ahead and enter $1,000 face value as the future value of our bond and solve for the present value or price. And we find that Bond P currently sells for $1,116.69. It sells at a premium because the 12% coupon is greater than the yield of 9%. Bond D, on the other hand, is a discount bond. Let's go ahead and calculate the price of Bond D. Again, enter 5 for the number of periods because it's an annual coupon bond. Enter 9% for our interest rate. Enter a coupon of $60. This is the 6% coupon rate times the $1,000 face value or par value. And finally, enter $1,000 as the future value of the bond and solve for the price. Since the coupon of 6% is less than our required return or yield of 9%, Bond D sells at a discount and its price is $883.31. Now, if interest rates remain unchanged, what will both bonds be worth 1 year from now? Well, 1 year from now, we will enter 4 for the number of remaining periods. Our interest rate remains the same at 9%, as does the bond's coupon and its face value. 1 year from now, we expect Bond P to sell for $1,097.19. This represents a decrease in value of $19.50. Let's go ahead and look at the yields on Bond P. Our current yield is the coupon of $120 divided by the current price of $1,116. We find the current yield on our bond is 10.75%. However, over the next year, we expect the bond to decrease in value by $19.50. This is a decrease of 1.75%. So our total expected return is 9%. This is our current yield of 10.75% less our expected capital loss in this case of 1.75%. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bond D, our discount bond. 1 year from now, there'll be 4 years left on the bond, so put 4 for the number of periods. Interest rates remain constant at 9%, and the coupon on our bonds always remain constant, so enter 60 for the coupon and $1,000 for the face value. When we solve for the present value or price of Bond D, we find that 1 year from now, it will have gone up in value to $902.81. This is an increase of $19.50. The current yield on our Bond D is 6.79%. This is the $60 coupon divided by the original price of $883. We are expecting a capital gain of $19.50, or on a percentage basis, 2.21%. Notice our total return or yield to maturity again equals our current yield of 6.79 plus the 2.21% expected capital gain.